How to reset TurboTax password. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to reset TurboTax password. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TurboTax application on your device. If you remember your user ID or email, you can reset the TurboTax password in less than 5 minutes. Go ahead and enter your user ID, phone number, or email address on the login screen. Further, tap on the login button and then tap on the Forgot Password option and then tap on Next. Now, check your email inbox. There should be an email with a link to reset your password. Tap on it and enter the new password into the special form. In most cases, this will be enough to reset the TurboTax password. But if this method does not work for you, try the following ways to change the TurboTax password if you forgot it. Go ahead and answer the security questions. To answer, go to the login screen, select Try Something Else option. Further, answer a few security questions that will help the service identify you. Write your email and check it in the confirmation letter. Follow the link in this letter to reset your password. You can also contact customer support team and ask them to reset your password. So, this is how you can reset TurboTax password. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.